sweet doll faces. I wanted to show you all how to make a Dutch baby today. It was more impressive looking like 30 seconds ago, but this is a really super easy protein-packed, delicious breakfast or snack, and Mariposa loves it too. Oh! And it's basically like this like souffle pancake thing that's like full of protein, delicious, and like super easy. I love it, my husband loves it, and my baby loves it, and subsequently my dogs love it because she likes to throw them treats and feed them and stuff. So before we get into mixing, this is like such an easy and fast recipe, okay? So you're gonna take 2-ish tablespoons of, everything's measured with the heart, 2-ish tablespoons of butter, and we're gonna go ahead and melt this in our pan that we can put in the oven while our oven is preheating at 400. Just gonna have that on a low setting. And then we're gonna get to mixing. So you're going to take half a cup of flour. First time I made this, I like did the whole like sifting thing. It didn't matter, it still got lumpy. And then you're gonna take half a cup of whatever milk you want. This, I only have oat milk in my house aside from this, and the oat milk ones don't turn out right. So I'm taking this Core Power Vanilla. It tastes like a milkshake, and it's already like, you know, extra protein, and it's a little sweeter, so. All right, a half cup of that. Aside from the egg, flour, and milk, everything else is measured with the heart. I'm going to take a pinch of salt. Plus I'm using salted butter, so like I really don't need that much salt. This, you need some vanilla. This is a vanilla household. We're going to take a little bit of maple syrup. I normally wouldn't really add the maple syrup because it does give it sweetness, but like I just dip it maple syrup when I'm eating it, but my daughter, I do not give maple syrup, so I need a little bit sweet for her in this. All right, and then this is unnecessary but fancy, and it's getting fall, you know, getting into the cozy season. Gonna take some cinnamon. Plus cinnamon is great for you. Gonna take some pumpkin spice. Sorry, pumpkin pie spice, same thing. Okay, and then 3 eggs. Okay, then you're gonna take a whisk or a fork and mix that together. Put it into the roast cooker. Pour this in. My oven is preheated. It's just gonna be right in there for 20 minutes. It does collapse after like a couple minutes. I don't know if it's supposed to do that or not, but it's still super delicious.